Hello, thank you for watching our video. So in this video, my friends and I will do presentation about our mini project proposal. So before we introduce to you about our mini project, we want to introduce ourselves. So my name is Heriansyah bin Suhimi alias Suhaimi. My friend's name is Muhammad Wakiuddin bin Baharun and Awang Nur Azhar. So I will introduce our mini project. So our mini project conduct based on requirement on DEC 40082 Interactive Multimedia Applications course. This project will be conduct from 11 November 2020 until 24 November 2020. So to do navigational button, we use Adobe Flash CX6 as main software. In case we want to make an interactive multimedia. So our mini project title is Interactive Media about Computer. We also use another Adobe software for this mini project like Adobe Premiere, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Edition.
So this is concept part A. In this mini project, we use all application and skill we learn from every practical work. So our title is Interactive Multimedia about Computer Interface. Will be designed using Adobe Flash CS6 and contain a media. There's 4 media in this mini project. Firstly is video edited using Adobe Premiere CS6, image edited using Adobe Photoshop CS6 and obtained from website, sound edited using Adobe Audition, and lastly is text. So this is concept part B. We use Super Mario theme song and image as background. There is 7 buttons in this mini project. Firstly is quit, to quit from the projector file. Credit is to show you who involved in this mini project. Explore is to explore more of computer knowledge nodes. Identify is a game to identify object. Computer parts is to show you computer parts using labeled figure. Challenge is a challenge. There is 20 questions with different marks. Lastly is quiz. There is 20 question quiz with the same mark.
Okay, for objective this mini project is firstly provide interactive multimedia about computer knowledge in order to improve knowledge of computer to public, especially computer student and computer user. Second, provided quiz, test and challenge to ensure that user can test the extent of their knowledge in computer. Computer student will be very helpful with this quiz as they need to master the knowledge in his mini project. And lastly, some of note on this mini project will help people to recognize external devices such as mouse and a microphone. This will help people who want to buy device for the computer. Okay, next. My target audience is firstly is student, secondly a worker at the computer, and lastly is lecturer.
Now I will explain to you all about our storyboard. So we have draw 17 storyboard. Okay, the first storyboard is our main interface. When you click the projector file of our mini project, so the animation will be full screen automatically. So as you can see, there are 7 navigational buttons: B1 Explore, B2 Computer Part, B3 Quit, B4 Credit, B5 Identify Item, B6 Challenge, and B7 Quiz. So if you click this Explore button, the storyboard of number 2 will be displayed. Okay, like book, like you are reading a book, the book will have about 3 or 4 or 5 topics. Yeah, this same goes to our mini project interface. In Explore, there are 5 navigational buttons, where 4 of the navigational button is 4 topics. So the first topic is about external device, malware, operating system, and computer basics. Okay, button 2 back. If you click this, you will go back to the main page or main display. This is the external device interface. This, if you click external device, then this will be displayed. Button back, button previous, button next, page number, and the content in this square rectangle. Okay, same goes to the storyboard number 4, number 5, number 6, and number 7. Number 8, what is this? What is the story of the storyboard number 8? So this page will be displayed if quit a button click at main page. Yeah, you click the quit, then the animation will be closed, and you need to launch it again, the projector file, if you want to try the features on the animation. Okay, this is storyboard number 9. Okay, there is credit button on the main page. So if you click the credit button, okay, the projector file will show you the display that contain our name and our matrix number with our face. Okay, like that. Okay, the storyboard number 10 is when you click the identify item button. So if you can see, there are 10 button. 10 of this button is image. So let's say this item name, the item name is processor, so you should click the button that contain processor image. Let's say the B5 is processor image, so you should click the button 5. Let's say you click the wrong button, then you will lose the game. To win the game, you should click actual button. Like if this item name is processor, then you should click processor, and then after that it requests you to click mouse, so you should click mouse image. Okay, this is the display if you successful to click all the button. If you successful to identify all the image, they want mouse, you click mouse. They want keyboard, you click keyboard. Okay, like this. You can see congratulations, all items are identified. Okay, this is B1 or button 1 main menu. So if you click the button will bring you to go to main display at the first storyboard number 1. Okay, this is storyboard number 20, no, I'm sorry, number 12. So if you wrong click item, then this will be displayed. You have clicked wrong item identified X of 10. Let's say you have clicked 6 true item, so the item identified will be 6 of 10. B1 button 1, try again if you wish to play the game again, since you are not satisfied with the result. B2 or button 2 main menu, that will bring you to the main display. Storyboard number 13. Okay, this page will be displayed if challenge button click at main page. There are 6 navigation buttons. So 6 navigation button. B1 is exit, button 1 is exit. If you wish to exit, okay, you can click the button. Okay, this is B2, B3, B4, B5, and B6. 5 of the navigation button is the answer, so you can click the answer that you feel okay, this is the answer. Okay, you can click them. But if you click the wrong answer, you will not get marked. If you click the true answer, you will get marked. Okay, number 14 is okay. In the challenge there are 13 questions. the question 1 until 12 is ABCDE, ABCDE. In Malaysian, we say aneka pilihan. Choose. I don't know the English. Okay, ABCDE for the question 1 until 12. For the question 13, it's same like identify item like this. At storyboard 10, okay, you which one is X? Let's say X is processor. Then you should find the processor image and click them. So if you click them, if you click the processor, you will get 1 points. If you wrong click, you never get marks. You don't get any marks or points. Okay, this is storyboard number 15. When you have finished the challenge question, then you will see how much question that you can answer and how item that you can identify. Let's say this is they are at image at item. So if you click at image without wrong, then you will get item identified is equal to add. You obtain points. Okay, you can see. Okay, I have a hard way to explain to you, but you can see that on our projector file soon. Okay, you can see that on our projector file soon. Okay, this is storyboard number 16. Okay, this page will be displayed if quiz button click at main page. There are 5 navigation buttons. So you can see B1 for exit, B2, B3, B4 and B5 is answer. You can choose one of them. Let's say the question is, what is operating system? So you should know what is operating system to answer this question. Okay, the final storyboard 17. This is the result of the quiz. So there are 10 questions, I think. Okay, 1 to 10 question. If you correct answer 5 question, then correct answer question is equal to 5. If you wish to go to main page, you can click this back button. Okay, only that for storyboard. Now I will explain about Kancha. So as you hear from me that our project is about 2 weeks. So our project will be implemented from 11 November 2020 until 24 November 2020. So we have 3 tasks. Task 1 is about documentation and preparation. Task 2 is about practice and project implementation. Task 3 is testing and maintenance. So for task 1, we do planning what we want to do. We thinking what we want to do for 2 days. So at the day 2 we start to do storyboard, to drawing at the paper. Yeah, at the paper. Okay, before we convert, I think before we draw the storyboard at the computer, we draw that at paper first. So at the day 2 we, okay, let me see this. At the day 2 we do proposal preparation. We have checked the mini project proposal, what they want. Okay, like Gantt chart, storyboard. Okay, this is information collection. At the day 3 we start to search how to make Gantt chart, how to make storyboard and etc. Okay, documentation, like we start writing the report for the mini project proposal. Okay, task 2, practice. Practice and project implementation. So seriously, we need 2 weeks to finish this project. So at the day 2 we start do research about Adobe Flash software. Adobe Flash software is not so hard, but that is not so easy too. So at the day 5 we start drawing and make animation and navigation button. So we watch Mr. Heidi video on the CDOS, the basic how to do navigation button, and some video on YouTube how to make quiz. Yeah, quiz. Okay, after that we collect theory. Okay, we wish to make notes in this project too, notes of operating system, notes of external device of computer, notes of malware, and etc. So we collect theory information about computer from Google Internet. Okay, task 3 we do start by day 5. We testing after we drawing and do animation and do navigation button. So we should testing. We should export them to SWF file to make sure that the all setting work. Okay, at the day 5 we start to do correction if any mistakes, if any wrong spelled words or grammar or anything, background sound and image background. Okay, we find if any mistake from the file flash file. Okay, at the last 2 days we publish and convert the flash file to projector file, exe, where this file can be executed to any computer. Okay, at the last day I share my project to Haida. I ask her if the projector file can open at her computer. So I think it's okay. She say, yeah, can. Okay, this is our reference 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 link, internet or website link. As you can see, Adobe Flash Research, malware, operating system, basic computer, and external device. Okay, only that I want to present to you all. Thank you very much for watching this video.